Okay naman kayo? Nagbago ka na. Sige, congratulations. Yan ba yan? Hindi, isa pa. Palakpakan niyo naman. Yan. Thank you. We are set there. Palakpakan niyo naman. Sis. Isang picture naman siya. Alright, at meron tayong trivia game by the way. At ito is of rest. Hula lang. Basta nagsisimula sa 5 ha, baka sabihin nyo 4 something. 5? 5? Yung office mate ko, naman namin. Palakpakan nyo naman. 5-4! Yay! Dito tayo. Ilan ang pusa? Nearest, how many cats? 8. Sino ba gusto mo muna? 2. 16. 9. 6. 9. 10. Wala sa pusa? Ikaw? 7. Alright. Good news. May tumama. Sa dami-dami ninyong number na nabanggit. May tumama. Kami po. Congratulations, 7. Alright. Hindi niya inaasahan. Dito tayo sa next natin na table. Are you ready? Okay ka lang, ma'am. Are you ready? Enter mo na. Alright, good luck sa inyo. Ang ating next question, ano ang kanyang ulam na kung pwede niya kainin kahit araw-araw, hindi niya pagsasawaan? Sinigang. Sige, sabihin ko sa iyo na tama ang sagot mo. Pero, kaninong sinigang? Sinigang ni Mama, congrats! Yaoy! Ganon magmahal ang isang Mama Jen at ganon ka-versatile ang isang Resh sa nilulutong sinigang ni Mama. Laging masarap siguro, no? Pero kahit hindi masyadong masarap, masarap ka rin, no? Basta si Mama nagluluto. Palakpakan si Mama Jen! Hey! Mama Jen, patikman niya yung sinigang ninyo pag pumasyal kami sa inyo, ha? Sino dito yung nakatikim na ng sinigang ni Mama Jen? Ay, dami na. Dami pa ng mga anak-anak ni Mami. Alright, sige, dito rin tayo speaking of insects. Insects nga, kahit anong insects. Ano yung kanyang exact na birthday? Dito tayo, no coaching for one far out of the road. Kailan, anong year? Yung mga magaling sa minus dyan. December 29, 2012. Ma'am? Huwag na kayo. So, ano ba naman? Parehas tayo. Sorry, ma'am. Hingin na lang tayo kay ma'am. Alright, 2000. Happy birthday. Sige, dito rin tayo kay Lola at Lolo. Ito. Ano ang kanyang paboritong milk tea na flavor? Milk tea na flavor. Kung nagmi-milk tea siya, anong mga flavor? Ito ay matamis. Wintermelon, Okinawa. Matcha, cookies and cream.
Short and simple lang. I just want to say happy birthday, happy 18th birthday, and God bless always. And what she said, yun lang. Thank you.
Alright, thank you, brother.
P18, welcome to Legality. You're onti na lang magka-college ka na, same as the others here sa stage. And at first, na-meet kita, di ko naman in-expect na maging ka-close kita because we're like the polar opposite. Madaldal ako, ikaw sobrang tahimik, nandun lang sa sulok, natago, nakikita. Pero yun, I'm very thankful, tapos thankful din ako kay God na I met someone like you.
Kaya mo yan, Gab.
Oh, wait lang. Yun lang, thank you for being a mom para sa mga cats, tapos kasama ko sa mga cat show kada bit. Yun lang, thank you.
A sweet message coming from Mr. Lee. Thank you very much, bro. All right. Everybody, anywhere in the world, we have our ceremonial toast or the birthday toast. As this is in front of our David herself and the whole family, this is our way of saying and declaring to you that we, as your loved ones, will be one with you in praying for your best of health. Good luck for many years to come. Good luck to your studies and your fulfillment of your dreams. And of course, higit sa lahat, sana ay lalong magiging malapit kayo sa iyong pamilya, sa mga kaibigan. Raise your glasses, everybody. Let's all stand now. Tayo po tayo lahat. Sa muli, ito po ay pagpapakita, pagpaparamdam at pagpapaabot sa ating David Art na tayo bilang pamilya ay patuloy na mananalangin para sa Kanya, para sa katuparan ng Kanyang mga pangarap at hikayin sa buhay, mas malusog na pangangatawan at mas malalim na pagmamahal sa magulang, sa kapwa at sa ating buong pamilya. Raise your glasses, everybody! With our loudest cheers! With our loudest voices! Sisigaw tayong lahat. Cheers, everyone!
Cheers, everyone!
Cheers! Congratulations!
I'll be
that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your fucking cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. Bitch, I'm legend bound.
I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, wanna hate this, I'll go show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, speaking slow, speaking fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Ginawa namin, akala namin prize din. Pinamigay kanina.
Thank you so much. You don't know. It's a water.
Yung kinain na kanina, Mau, saan? Yung galon at saka, galon lang yun at saka, lang.
So best.
Yung malaking na kani?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh, there's a drink.